If you want to find titled players, coaches, and streamers on chess.com, this quick guide will show you exactly where to go. Whether you're looking for strong players to follow, coaches to learn from, or streamers to watch live, chess.com makes it pretty easy once you know where to click. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can get there fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and website guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open chess.com in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the site, look over to the left sidebar. You should see a section called Community, which is usually shown with a 3-person icon. Hover over that Community menu to reveal more options. After you hover over it, click Members. This will take you to the Members area on chess.com, where you can browse different types of users on the platform. From here, you're in the right place to find titled players, coaches, and streamers. Now, once the Members page loads, look for the category options near the top. You'll usually see things like top players, coaches, or streamers. If you want to find titled and strong players, click Top Players. If you're looking for someone who offers lessons or chess instruction, click Coaches. And if you want to watch live content or follow active creators, click Streamers. This is the main part of the process, and it's very straightforward. Chess.com organizes these profiles so you can browse them without having to search manually through the entire platform. That saves time and helps you quickly find the exact type of chess account you're interested in. If you choose top players, you can explore high-level players and titled members. If you choose coaches, you can check out people who may offer training or mentoring. And if you choose streamers, you can discover chess creators who broadcast their games, share tips, and interact with their audience. If you're using this for learning, I'd recommend checking all 3 sections. That way, you can compare different types of members and decide who best fits what you're looking for. Maybe you want a coach for improvement, a titled player for inspiration, or a streamer for entertainment and live analysis. Once you find someone you want to follow or learn more about, you can open their profile and review their details. From there, you can decide whether to follow them, watch their content, or explore their games and activity. So to recap, hover over Community, click Members, and then choose top players, coaches, or streamers, depending on what you want to find. That's the fastest way to discover titled players, coaches, and streamers on chess.com. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.